A rat went for a walk. What a fine day, he said. The sun is shining and all is well. Pet shop. Soon he came to a shop. My, said the rat. What a pretty cat. And I have never had a cat. I will buy that cat and have a friend, he said, and he went into the shop. I want a cat, he said. Are you sure you want a cat? Asked the owner. I am sure, said the rat, and I want that one. That will be 10 cents, said the man. If you are sure, I am sure, said the rat. Here is my last dime. Give me my cat. The rat and the cat left the shop. We will be friends, said the rat. Do you think so? Said the cat. Well, we'll see. I do not want to say, said the cat. Wait,
I think you turned the page, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job.
The rat and the cat sat in the sun. What do you like? Whoops. Wait, what do you do for fun? Asked the rat. I like to catch things, said the cat. That's nice, said the rat. I am happy.
Oh, wait.
Hungry, said the cat. How about lunch? A fine idea, said the rat. What is your favorite dish? No, the cat's gonna eat him.
Oh my gosh, I hope not.
I do not want to say, said the cat. You can tell me, said the rat. Are you We are friends. Are you sure you want to? No, said the cat. I am sure, said the rat. Tell me what you like to eat. I will tell you, said the cat, but let us go where we can be alone. Fine with me, said the rat. He's fine with everything, and he's also lazy. The cat and the rat went to the beach. I know, said the rat. Fish. You like to eat fish. Not at all, said the cat. It's much better than fish. Tell me, said the rat. I just have to know. Come closer, said the cat, and I will tell you. Yes, said the rat. What do you like? Said the cat. Is cheese! I love cheese, and I love you. So do I, said the rat, and I have some here. Hooray! Said the cat. And now we are friends. So they sat on the beach and ate the cheese. And that was that.
Awesome, buddy. Good job.
Tricked you still. The cat didn't eat him, so I'm sorry I tricked you. I'm not going to lie to you again.